As Evescape, Goa's pioneering women media network, we stand in firm solidarity with the civil society protests led by social leader Rama Kankonkar at Azad Maidan. Evescape fundamentally supports the spirit of accountability, protecting Goan land, and safeguarding our state's future, while its 10 demands tackle urgent ecological, social, and administrative crises across our state. Evescape is specifically elevating the demand for 50% women's political representation. We support him on all the demand, but the most important demand that he has said and which nobody talks about, Baila reservation, what it means to Rama.
Thank you so much. Bailancha reservation. Women are 51% in Goa. Women have shown many times that they are better administrator than the men. Women are leading the all Goa protest.
Correct.
Okay, they are leading for 100 Congress. Like Goa, Karaputan support they have set for more than 120 days. Chimbel have set for 45 days. Mirabag have set for 49 days. So yes, सगळी बायलांचो movement और बायला मुखार सरता. If बायला मुखार सरता, बायला leadership quality असेल, जाल्यार why they cannot reach into the assembly? What is the reason? Now government is saying that we will give 33% reservation. I don't think so. This in coming this 33% reservation जातले implementation at least for this election. So the demand is very simple. Why do we require a reservation? The reservation is required because there is another force which is not allowing the other community to rise up. Okay, there is a force which is working against it. Whether it is who is like everyone knows about it politically how it happens. But reservation is one part, but representation is another part. Now any political party which have concern for women, they will always give their 50% of the tickets to women. Now who wins, who do not wins is a later on call. By the time all should have faces, and we have faces in different political parties. So when you are giving a ticket, when you are doing an alliance, you should also see about not only about winning elections, but also concern about how we are going to, if 33% versus 67%, then UGP will have not even crossing 10%. I'm talking about the opposition right now. Altogether, we need 50% of representation to make the policy in the assembly.
Correct.
आजच्या दिसा मुद्दम पळया बायलांचे विषय आपण रिझॉल्व जायना. Because there is no strong policy which is coming in the assembly. Everyone gives promises. It starts from the basic thing. I will say, when we are saying that open defecation free, okay, here in the Azad Maidan we have the women have to pay 10 rupees now. Men have to pay 5 rupees. Women have to pay 10 rupees. Is this not a discrimination? Starts from the toilet.
So तुका दिसना की political parties करचे म्हणून पयलीं should they not start giving tickets to the women?
What is political winnability according to them? For me, according to political winnability is when you have more women as a karyakarta, then definitely you are going to win.
Yeah.
Because women convince their family members.
And that is what they do. They actually use them for the electoral gain.
Exactly.
But any पण तांका mainstream तांका हाडून तांका candidate म्हणून तांणी करूना.
So, if women have a capacity of convincing and making your party win, then women's leadership will have a capacity of winning their elections also. What is the role of every Mahila Morcha in the party? Every role of a Mahila Morcha is basically a platform for a Mahila to become a leader.
Correct.
After taking the issues of the women. Okay. So if they are taking up the issues, you can only say one thing. Those people who have not what you can say produced the women as a leader, they have failed as a Mahila Morcha in their
Correct. That means ताणी महिलांक फक्त यूज केला for their gains.
Correct.
आणि ताणी तांका सदां फाटीं दवरला तांका मुखार सरपाक दिना. Actually, I have come here to support your demand of giving representation. Political party कायदो येता तेन्ना येतलो. नारी शक्ती वंदन अधिनियम हो कायदो जाल्लो आसा. Implementationाक ताजो वेळ आसा because of delimitation, census problem, that all we agree.
But until unless political parties think that we should give tickets to women, तांचे भितरले लिडर्स कोण आसा तांकां जावं समाजांतले काडून तर जेन्ना म्हणल्यार ते दिना तेन्ना म्हणल्यार रिप्रेझेंटेशन येवपाक आनी ऑल्सो इट शोज द responsibility of that political party towards women or their stand towards women. So Nari Shakti हे उलोवन काय फायदा? It is what you need to say.
I will say that when the democratic reforms जातलो in the assembly is when we will see the reservation advantage of ST. We have not got a reservation yet. Reservation मेळ उपरांत ओके समज मेळ जाल्यार त्या रिजर्वेशनान हांव आज पर्यंत पळयता actually I'm saying that not a single woman from this बहुजन समाज okay like ST SC OBC ST ची एक बायल आजपर्यंत आमदार झाली SC ची एक बायल आजपर्यंत आमदार झाली ज्या दिसा like you know the women's right now who's fighting here okay common people ती वचून ते असेंब्लीन पॉलिसी फ्रेम करतली that time I will feel that yes of course the constitution the power which has been given to the people to get elected and represent the constituency जाल्यार म्हाका दिसतलें की आज एक बायल मनशाक सुद्दां आमी रिस्पेक्ट दिता आनी ती बायल मनीस घरा कडेन काम करप न्हू पूण ती असेंब्लीन सुद्दां पावपाक शकता वी हॅव इन फॅक्ट इन गोवा the rest of the businesses and everything we have given them opportunity आज खूप वयर सरता पूण politically I don't see that happening.
Politically opportunity तांकां दिवची पडटा कित्याक दाराची चावी जी आसता पळय ह्या दादल्या कडेन आसता ताजे खातीर पण इन अदर फील्ड they are free to go now because they are doing it on your own. But on your own you cannot come here. The assembly cannot be on your own.
आणि आता इलेक्शन जिखपाची उलोवपाची गरज ना जेन्ना तुमी अलायन्साचें म्हणटा तेन्ना 67% जिखली सो इफ एनी कोणाकूय हाडून बसयले थंयसर जाल्यार जिखतले 67% इज अगेन्स्ट दी सो my call is for the opposition right now okay because ruling will try to do their level best but opposition political party also have to think in a different way we have to have a different thought process altogether in the assembly then only we can give a brighter Goa we can give a Goa where it is like you know gives equality to the man as well as women.
For a progressive Goa, women must not just be reported on, they must be at the decision-making tables. Women make up half of Goa's population and have historically managed local community administrations exceptionally well. It is an irony that despite high literacy and socio-economic contribution, Goan women remain severely underrepresented in the state legislative assembly.
So Rama या उलयल्या आमी हाजे मुखारान उलोवया पूण बरें दिसलें की म्हाका दिसना आमी गोंयांत असले केन्नाय पळयलां की खुबशे एज्युकेशन जाल्या खुबश्यो बायलो भायर सरल्या पूण बायलां खातीर एक रिजर्वेशन मागचें आनी इट इज द रायट टायम टू स्टँड अँड फायट फॉर इट अँड वी आर व्हेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू फॉर टेकिंग दिस स्टँड.
As a media network, our support isn't just political, it is professional and ethical. The media has a duty to amplify the voices of those fighting for systemic equity, rather than letting vital issues like the Women Reservation Bill or local gender parity remain empty promises.